Hey everyone, did you know that your workout routine might be influencing more than just your muscles and heart? Today, I'm diving into a fascinating study that uncovers the surprising link between physical activity and gut microbiota. Yes, you heard that right, so let's break this down. Gut microbiota refers to the trillions of microorganisms living in our intestines. These tiny critters play a crucial role in digestion, immunity, and even mental health. But what if I told you they might also be influenced by how active you are? Researchers at The Lancet conducted a series of experiments to explore this connection. They took a group of volunteers and split them into two categories, active and sedentary. The active group engaged in regular moderate exercise while the sedentary group maintained their usual inactive lifestyle. After a set period, they analyzed the gut microbiota from stool samples of both groups. The results were pretty astounding. The active group showed a significant increase in the diversity and abundance of beneficial bacteria. These changes were linked to improved metabolic health, reduced inflammation, and better overall well-being. But why does this happen? The researchers suggest that physical activity increases gut motility and blood flow, creating a more favorable environment for beneficial bacteria to thrive. Additionally, exercise-induced hormonal changes might also play a role in enhancing gut health. Now, if you're wondering how much exercise is needed to see these benefits, the study indicated that even moderate activity like brisk walking or cycling can make a difference. So you don't need to become a gym fanatic to support your gut health. What's even more interesting is the potential for personalized exercise programs to optimize gut health. Imagine a future where your fitness routine is tailored not just for weight loss or muscle gain, but also for cultivating a healthier gut microbiota. Let's not forget that a balanced diet is equally important in maintaining gut health. So pair your physical activity with a diet rich in fiber, fruits, and vegetables for the best results. To wrap it up, physical activity is not only good for your muscles and heart, but also for your gut. This study highlights the importance of staying active to support a diverse and healthy gut microbiota. Next time you lace up your sneakers, remember you're not just doing it for your body, but also for those trillions of tiny friends in your gut. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health insights. Until next time, stay active and stay healthy. Thanks for watching.